Okay, good morning, my student. How are you today?
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Miss.
Miss.
How are you?
Good morning.
I'm good, thank you. I'm so happy that I can meet you again in a good condition. I hope all of you are always happy to keep your body immune and keep spirit on. Yeah. All right. Before we start our lesson, I would like to invite you to do pray in order to make our class run well. Yeah. Okay. I would like to invite Mia to do pray. Yeah. Okay. Lead your friend Mia. Time is yours.
Thank you for time, Miss. Okay, friend. Before start the lesson, we better pray according to each other beliefs so that learning goes smoothly. Pray start. Pray finish.
Okay, thank you, Mia.
Welcome, Miss.
Before we continue, I would like you to fill the present list at the same link that I have given you at the Google Classroom. Yeah, I give you 5 minutes to fill in the present link. Yeah, okay, time is yours. Okay, have you done it?
Yes.
Okay, good. If you
Sudah, Miss.
already done it, I will continue to the next step. Are you ready to study, student?
Yes.
Ready, Miss.
All right, good. I would like to share screen first. Yeah. Okay, before we continue to the next step, here I would like to inform you that coronavirus is still around us. That's why we have to always keep our health by always wash your hands using soap or use disinfectant and avoid contact, keep distance, and don't forget to use your mask wherever you go. Yeah. Okay. Any questions so far?
No, Miss.
Okay, if you don't have any question, I would like to continue to the next. Okay, now I would like to inform you about our classroom Zoom rules. There are 5 rules here, as usual. The first one, show up a few minutes before class time and wait to be admitted into the class. It means that you have to on time to join the meeting. The next one, find a quiet place free of distractions. Siblings, television, parents, pets, etc. It means that you have to find a quiet place, yeah, far away from any distractions. Yeah. Next, number 3, be respectful at all times while your video is on. No hand gestures or inappropriate language. It means that you have to keep your manner while the video is on. Yeah. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Number 4, stay on mute or click the raise hand button if you have a question or something to share. Stay on mute. It means that just stay on mute if you don't say anything, or click the raise hand button at the bottoms of your screen if you want to share something. Understand?
Understand, Miss.
Okay, and the last one, stay focused and on task so you don't miss anything the speaker says. Yeah. Any questions so far?
No, Miss.
Okay, if there is no any question, yeah, I would like to continue to the next step. I would like to inform you about tujuan pembelajaran. Before we discuss about tujuan pembelajaran, I would like to ask you, what topic did we learn last meeting?
Descriptive text.
Yeah, thank you, Mia. Descriptive text. Now, in this meeting, we will discuss about descriptive text too. Now, I would like to inform about tujuan pembelajaran. The first one, kalian diharapkan mampu menyimpulkan ide pokok dari setiap paragraf yang terdapat dalam teks. And then the second one, yang kedua, melalui contoh teks deskriptif yang berjudul Nasional Monumen, nanti peserta didik mampu mengumpulkan beberapa informasi terkait yang terkandung dalam teks deskriptif dengan tepat. Any questions so far? Okay, if you don't have any question, I will continue to the next. Yang ketiga, nanti tujuan pembelajarannya adalah melalui tes deskriptif ini nanti kalian mampu membuat satu tes deskriptif tentang tempat bersejarah terkenal yang ada di daerah kalian. Next. After you have made a text, then you have to show it to your friends and to your teacher. Any questions so far? Ada pertanyaan? Okay, good. If there is no any question, I would like to continue to the next. Okay, want to answer what picture is it? Mia, what picture is it?
Monas.
Monas, good. Have you ever been there?
Oh.
No. Okay, me too. Yeah. Okay, now after I shown you a picture, there is a text. Have you read the text that I have given you at the Google Classroom? Okay, good. If you already read it, now there are some questions related to the text. Okay, here are the questions that related to the text. Number 1, after you've read the text, then answer the following questions. There are 4 questions. Yeah. Number 1, what is the text about? Want to answer? Ayu Purna Dewi.
The text is about the national monument.
Okay, good. The text is about national monument or Monas. Question number 2. What is the main idea of the first paragraph? Dewi Cipta Lestari. Silakan Dewi. I give you a chance before you continue.
The answer is the main idea of the first paragraph is national monument is one of the famous landmarks in central Jakarta.
Okay, good. Maybe you have to improve your pronunciation, but so far you are so good, yeah. What is the main idea of the first paragraph? Yeah, so the main idea of the first paragraph is Monas or National Monument is one of the famous landscapes in central Jakarta. Okay, good. Thank you, Dewi Cipta Lestari. Next question, number 3. What is the main idea of the second paragraph? Dwi Payanti. Okay.
The main idea of the second paragraph is detailed characteristic Monas.
Okay. The main idea of the second paragraph is
Monas. The style characteristic Monas.
yeah, the characteristic of Monas. Yeah, good. Okay, the last questions. Where is the national monument located? Okay, Ana Ayu Lestari.
The national monument is located in central Jakarta, Indonesia.
Okay, good. Where is the national monument located? National monument located in Central Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay, after I gave you some questions that related to the text, I can conclude that you have already mastered about the topic that we learned last meeting. Yeah. Any questions so far?
No, Miss.
Okay, there is no any question. Now, I would like you to continue to the next step. Okay, question number 5. Make a short descriptive text about historical places in your area. Discuss it with your group. Yeah. Have you made your group?
Sudah, Miss.
Okay. If you have already made your group, now discuss with your group about question number 5. Now I give you 40 minutes to discuss with your friends to make a short descriptive text about historical places in your area. Just choose one place, yeah? Do you understand? Okay,
Yes.
good. Okay. If you have already understood, now I will give you 40 minutes and you have to write back here in the next 40 minutes. Okay, welcome back, my students. Are you ready to present your work?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. It's time to show presentation. Yeah? Okay. Who want to present first? I will give a chance to Purna Dewi. Yeah. Okay. Time is yours.
Thank you, it's for time. My name is Niputo Purnadewi. I will present the answer to the question 5.
Monumen Lintas Laut Gilimanuk. Monument Lintas Laut Gilimanuk or the Jawa Bali Sea Coast Monument in Czech is one of the milestones in commemorating the history of the heroic events of naval battles in the Bali Strait. This uniquely shaped monument is located in Cekik Gilimanuk, about 4 kilometers east toward Denpasar from Gilimanuk Port. Besides the monument that can be climbed up to the top. In this monument area, there are also a number of cannon and bullet ornaments. Besides ornaments, there are also 2 original cannons that are still active made in Russia. There was an old man who was always there to be a guide to explain to the visitors who came to the place. That old man also kept the environment around the museum clean and safety. This monument has an important meaning for a maritime country like Indonesia. With the establishment of this monument, the heirs of the country can remember the service of the previous heroes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the first group. Yeah. Maybe any question from another?
Don't miss.
Okay, I would like to summarizing and give a feedback to the first group. Okay, all of your text is good already. How to make a paragraph is already good, but I found one mistakes at the third paragraph, especially in the first sentence. There was an old man. Nah, here you use simple past tense. Yes, actually it should be there is an old man who is always. Yeah, you have to change was become is. The first group. Do you catch my idea? Okay. Any questions so far? Okay, if there is no
No,
any
miss.
question, after I have done a correction to your work, you have to edit it again and then submit it at the Google Classroom. Yeah, just know you have already sent your text at Google Classroom, but after presentation, you have some correction from me and from me. Then you have to edit it again into a good paragraph, and then after that you have to submit it again at the Google Classroom. Understand?
Okay, miss.
Okay. If there is no any question, I think that's all for today meeting. I'm so happy that you can join my class. Okay, just now we studied our activity with pray. Now I would like to end our activity also with pray. Now I would like to invite Mia to let your friends to do pray. Yes, Mia, time is yours.
Thank you for time, Miss. Okay, friend. Before we finish the lesson, we better play together. Let's pray. Pray start. Pray finish.
Okay, thank you, Mia. Okay,
Welcome, Miss.
to make it clear, I want to ask you once again. Maybe you have any question for the topic today?
No, Miss.
Okay, it means that you already understood, yeah, about our topic today. Okay, I would like to remind you to submit your work that have been edited after I give you some correction. Then you have to submit it at the Google Classroom. Yeah, and I also would like to inform you about. Don't forget to do your formative text after this meeting at Google Classroom. I have sent you at the Google Classroom also. Yeah. Okay. Any question? Ada pertanyaan? Okay. If there is no any question, I think that's all for today meeting. Don't forget to stay healthy. Don't go anywhere. Talk about health protocol. See you next meeting and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, we can end this meeting together. Okay, thank you, my student, for attending my class. Goodbye.
Bye, Miss.
Yeah, thank you.